Welcome to today's markets update. We're seeing shifting winds across U.S. stocks, gold, and crypto as rate cuts, weak economic data, and global policy headlines move the needle. The Federal Reserve has just cut interest rates by 25 basis points and signaled that more easing could be on the way. Investors see this as confirmation that the Fed is willing to lean dovish in response to a weakening labor market and persistent inflation pressures. Treasury yields eased slightly, with the 10-year around 4.03%, and the U.S. dollar slipped, giving risk assets a boost. In corporate news, Nvidia fell after reports that China has banned some of its chips from domestic firms, highlighting ongoing geopolitical and regulatory risks. American Express is climbing, breaking through key resistance levels, while Meta is steady as investors look ahead to its AI announcements at the upcoming Connect conference. Gold is shining bright. Prices touched a new record high near $3,703 per ounce, up almost 40% this year. Analysts are even raising forecasts, with some banks now targeting $4,000 by late 2026. Strong central bank demand, dollar weakness, and the Fed's policy shift are all fueling the rally. Silver is following the trend, with projections rising toward $45 per ounce. Precious metals are clearly benefiting from their safe haven appeal. Cryptocurrencies are also holding firm. Bitcoin trades around $116,300, showing resilience. Ethereum is just below $4,500, consolidating as traders watch macro signals. At the same time, stablecoin developments are making headlines, with Tether preparing to launch a fully compliant US-backed stablecoin by the end of 2025, under stricter reserve and audit standards. Regulatory oversight remains a key theme in the sector. Looking ahead, the focus is squarely on the Federal Reserve. Markets want clarity on whether more cuts are coming and how the central bank sees inflation and growth trends developing. Upcoming inflation and jobs data will be crucial, while movements in the dollar and real yields could sway gold and crypto. And in equities, continued scrutiny from China on technology will remain an important risk factor. In short, markets are entering a phase of cautious optimism. Rate cuts are supporting equities and precious metals, crypto is holding steady, and investors are watching closely to see if this momentum continues or cools.